Good morning, Jasper. Good morning, Jasper. Where's your toys? Where's your toys? There he is. Hi. Do you got your ball? Do you got your ball? Today is what, August 15th? And Jasper just turned 3 months on August 5th. Jasper, look at your ear. Shake your head. I know you want both of them in your mouth at the same time and you just can't figure it out. You got the rope and the ball. The ball got away. Get the ball. Get the ball. There's the ball. And the rope. That's Gypsy's food, huh? Get some water. Good boy. You got the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. If you bring it to Mommy, I'll throw it. It's getting away. Uh-oh, you got your girlfriend. Can you say goodbye to everybody? Jasper? Jasper, do you want a bone? You do? You want a bone? Okay. Off. Heel. No. Heel. Heel. You have to heel, Jasper. Heel. Not until you calm down. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. You got your bone. Gypsy, do you want a bone? Where's your sissy? Jasper got a bone. Gypsy, do you want a bone? Is that good, Jasper? Okay, we're saying goodbye now. Jasper's eating his bone.